Did you know that in the medieval times, locksmiths built locks by hand from scratch? The locksmith industry has an interesting history cloaked in mystery and awe. With the intricacies of clockmaking, the metallurgy of the blacksmith, and the security of a fortress, the locksmith has always had a lot riding on their shoulders. While a lot has changed since then, one thing remains the same. The locksmith of today has to have diverse knowledge in lock repairing, adjusting locks, and installing locks. More so, the locksmith of today has to have experience in building security, electronic locks, safes, and combination locks. With so much to know and the high demands of working late-night emergencies, the modern locksmith has to be prepared for anything. For us here at Dallas FW Locksmith, that is what makes being a locksmith in Dallas so rewarding. We love the challenge and take pride in being able to offer highly specialized locksmith services under any circumstance. Being a successful locksmith also takes excellent customer service skills and dedication to this craft. And that is exactly how we do it here at Dallas Fort Worth Locksmith. If you like this video, then you are sure to like the other videos on our YouTube channel. Click on the link below. If you live in the Dallas Fort Worth area, remember DallasFWLocksmith.com. See you there.